Hello everyone, this is Daniel with uGenesys, and welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to take another look at our uGenesys volume indicator, alright? That's our awesome indicator that lets you know when you have enough volume in the market so you get the most profits from your trades, okay? So let me give you a quick breakdown of what we'll be doing today. So first we're going to add the indicator to our Euro USD chart, and then we're going to take a look at the 5-minute time frame, and then finally a look at the 15-minute time frame, alright, for some scalping opportunities here. Alright guys, so let's add our indicator to our chart. So let's go to Insert, Indicators, Custom, and let's go down to our uGenesys volume indicator. Let's hit OK. Alright, let's take a look at our 5-minute chart here. Okay guys, so if you take a look at this red section right here, you can see a downtrend, alright, and we can see that the bars are above the golden line here, so we know we have enough volume to make our trades, okay? So you can see we have this section here though that's below the golden line, so we're going to start from here with our trend where it crosses the golden line, alright? So let's just put a marker there, right on the outside of that. Alright, and let's mark the end of this trend over here, and let's just measure the pips right here with our crosshairs tool. Okay, so we can see we have a movement of 21.8 pips, okay guys? And right here you can see we have an uptrend, alright, and with this one we can see the bars are above the golden line, alright? So let's just put a marker at the beginning and end of this trend here. Put our lines right on this part. Alright, let's just use our crosshairs tool to measure. Alright, so this gives us a movement of 23 pips, okay guys? Okay, and right here we have another downtrend, alright, and we can see there's a lot of volume in this one, alright. It's gone way above our orange line as well, alright. Well, let's go ahead and put some lines at the beginning and end of this trend. Alright, let's just measure the pips right here. Alright, so that's a movement of 10.2 pips, okay guys? And remember, you can click on the link in the description to get this indicator, alright? And so now let's move on to our 15-minute time frame. So right here we can see we've got another uptrend, alright, with a lot of volume right here. Let's just mark the beginning and end here. Alright, and let's just measure the pips in this case. Oh wow guys, so we can see that's a movement of 52.7 pips, alright? Alright, and right here we can see we have a downtrend here, a massive downtrend, alright? And we can see at the beginning that some of the bars are not above our golden line, alright? So we want to start right where the bars cross the golden line here. That's where we want to start measuring this trend from, alright? That's when we know we have enough volume to make our trades. So let's mark there and also mark the end of the trend. Okay, and let's use our crosshairs tool to measure the pips going down here. Alright, nice guys. So we can see that's a movement of 75.2 pips, okay? Alright, and right over here guys, you can see a section where the bars are below our golden line, alright, so we want to avoid those sections here where we get consolidation in the market, okay? But if you look right here, we can see we have another massive uptrend, alright, and you can see we're going to mark the beginning right over here at the last bar of the previous downtrend, and then we'll just mark right here at the end where the bars cross the line. Alright, so we're gonna exclude this section here where it doesn't cross, and we'll start from where it does, okay? And let's just measure the pips with our crosshairs tool now. Oh wow, so we see that's a movement of 100.8 pips, alright? Alright guys, so you can see that we got some very awesome and profitable scalping opportunities here with this indicator, alright? So we really hope you can take it and get some very profitable trades on your end, okay? And remember to click on the link in the description to get access to this indicator. And thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.